everyone, today we're going to be looking at a video doorbell from AOSU. This is their battery powered video doorbell and chime, the video doorbell SE model. This has 2K QHD quality and it can work with your smart home devices as well. Let's look at some of the features that are listed on the box and then we're going to open it up and test it out. Since this is a battery operated camera, it is wire free, so you don't have to worry about wires. It has head to toe viewing, so you can see the whole person at your door. You can also get package alerts as well as get high definition night vision. It has local storage as well as cloud storage. And since you're going to be using it outside, so this needs to be weather resistant, which is nice. It has live video and playback. It has Super HD videos, real-time notifications, a two-way talk system, as well as smart motion alerts. Now let's open the box up and see what it looks like. So this is all that comes inside the box. We have our chime as well as our doorbell and the back plate for this. We have our screw pack, our USB-C cable as well. So now we're gonna set it up. So now we're gonna set up our device, and to do that we're gonna press the plus icon on the AOSU app. Make sure you download the AOSU app and create an account from your App Store or Play Store. So let's click our plus icon. We're gonna scan the QR code on our device, so we're gonna do that right now.
Please scan the QR code on the device or home base with your phone.
Okay, now we're going to turn on the power button. Press it for 5 seconds.
Hello.
Okay, our blue light's flashing, so we're going to click this button right here. We're going to connect to our Wi-Fi. Now that the camera is connected, let's continue. Click a location. You can get the cloud service, storage service if you want, but I am not going to do that. I'm just going to use like the local storage for now. Let's update our firmware. I'm just going to click background update. Alright, so installation is pretty simple. All you have to do is drill some holes in your wall. I've already attached the mounting bracket right here. And I'm just going to slide my camera in. Make sure that you have it at a good location, so where you can see everything and it's not blocked by a wall. And there it is. The installation is as simple as that. Alright, so let's check out the settings for this device, our front doorbell camera. So let's first check out the events page. And you have two types of storage, cloud storage and local storage. Cloud storage is a subscription that you would have to purchase separately, but then you can also insert the micro SD card for local storage. These are some events that were captured when there was a doorbell ring for the local storage. Let's check out the settings for the events page. And we have motion detection available. So you can also turn on intelligent detections that detects humans and packages. This has parcel watching capabilities, so it has AI algorithms that push messages to the user when a parcel is delivered or picked up, so that the parcels are watched over in real time. So let's check out the notification settings really quickly. And over here we have push notifications turned on through system calls or through message alerts. You can also turn on immediate notification mode or intelligent mode. So immediate mode would immediately send out push notifications to your device. You would see a pop-up on the top of your device for push notifications, but it hasn't been that event hasn't been analyzed and tagged by the intelligent algorithm under that mode. So you'd have to turn on intelligent mode, but this would take a little bit more time because it will categorize the event and analyze it with its AI algorithm. And you can even adjust it by event types such as staying, package note recognition, someone's passing by, or if it's in low power mode. Alright, so there was a motion detection at the front door. So as soon as someone walks in front of the door, you would see the round blue light around the call button light up, and that indicates that there's some sort of motion. You're also going to get these motion detection alerts at your door. Okay, so let's check out the live view. So this is what the live view looks like. As you can see, it has a really good wide angle view. It has a 170 degrees ultra wide angle view, and it captures 2K details and images in a 9:16 aspect ratio. So you can see the whole visitor's entire body from head to toe, as well as what's on the ground, and you can see like that carpet on the ground, as well as the packages that are on the chair itself. So it has a good viewing angle. Let's go back. Let's check out the live view again. Right now it's Ultra UHD, but you can switch it or it will adjust it when it's necessary. You can clip and record videos, and then you have a quick reply option for video calls. So let's look at the quick reply options. There are 3 settings for these quick reply options, such as hello, can I help you, hey there, and please leave the package at the door. These are some auto responses that you can use when you're not able to answer the door via the intercom. Like this is their two-way talk button. I'm not going to press it, but you can use this two-way talk button to communicate, as well as the tone analyzer, but tone changer button to change the tone of your voice as well. So now we're going to go ahead and try pressing the doorbell to see what happens. So when you get a call from the front door, you get a notification like this, and you can answer it if you want. It will connect you to the live view like this, and You can talk or hang up with this two-way audio button, as well as send quick replies, and that will be sent.
Hello, can I help you? Hey there, what are you doing? Please leave the package in front of the door. Thank you.
For the doorbell chime, you can install it anywhere in a location of your desire. And when the doorbell rings, you can hear the chime at your convenient location in addition to the doorbell ringing at your smart device. Alright, since AOSU devices work with smart assistants such as Google Home, I'm going to set it up on my Google Home app, add AOSU as a device that we can control. So I've already signed into my account. Now I'm going to assign the front door, and to the front door, and click done. So let's see our front door. This is the one that we want. I'm gonna name this AOSU front door. Save that. And so you can set it up with a smart display to stream the videos. From here you can adjust it, but you're able to control the AOSU through the smart home, like Google Home, this way. And that's how easy it is to set it up to Google Assistant. So I have my Google Home display right here, so I'm gonna check it out. And that is the live view from the AOSU front door. And that is it for our review. We hope you guys like this product. If you'd like to purchase this product, please go ahead and check out our description box below. Thank you all for watching.